I never think I'd love this, but Jesus!
Hey everyone, Marana here, and today we're back for another video, and today's video has been a murder. Because by the title, we've got a package from Killer Wipers to de-wiper our rear wiper. Anyway, let's get on to the boxing. Let's go. Oh, I've done myself. So boom, we've got our Killer Wipers set here. Let's take a look at what's inside. I already see we've got a bit of sealant and stuff, but basically let's just rip it open. So one-handedly, let's right, this ain't good at all, is it? Right, oh, that was easy, should I say? So we've got a little bag here with, oh, there we go, come on. We've got our sealant. Condolences on the death of your rear wiper. Mate, this is some contraband. That's mad. Moving on. So, open a bag, man. Jesus. We've got our little cap there. We've actually got our, oh, that's pretty cool. We've got our rear wiper delete thingamajiggy, so I believe it goes all the way around, so inside the boot it goes out to the white bit. I bet there's a sticker, but that's that. And then finally we've got our dodgy instructions. Right, so let's take this off.
Right, so the first thing is we take this off. I mean, it's already broken, so we don't need this. But what we want to do is come back to the rear bit, open this up and spray some WD-40 in it because it'll be pretty rusty. Next, let's open the boot and get rid of the trim panels. Coming up here, there is a screw inside, so don't just rip this off because yeah, you'll break it.
So moving to here, we've got our, what's it called? We've got our rear wiper motor, and we've got our rear wiper water line in here. So we've got the water line here, so what we do, we disconnect this and hose it off, and then we've got the electrical connector here, which we can take out. We've also got 3, I think 12mm bolts, one here, one there, and then one just sneakily up there. So yeah, for the first thing first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to unclip this, and then what I will do, what the hell is going on here? What? Can't lie to you lot, they ain't coming off. Right, so what we'll do then, we'll take this bit off, and then from there, we'll take the inside bit off afterwards. So, let's get our 12mm, I think, and get to work. Right, take 5. Normally this shouldn't really come off for people, but for me it looks like someone's sawed it before, and of course I put a little indent in it as well. Don't do it too much, because if you pull straight, if you twist it that much, you might risk breaking the rear window. Oh bloody hell. Well, so now I've got to a problem where I can't take this bit off because we've got this bit on here. Now for other people, you watch the videos and like, oh, I just pull it off, and yeah, well that don't work really, does it? Unless this comes off with the wiper that we just took off, which I don't think it does. Most people, they cut it through here. I now need to somehow figure a way to get this off. So let's get the Dremel back out again and just cut it a bit notch there, and we can try and wrap it around without cutting the glass. There we go. Jesus. that's that bit gone now. And now, look at this big boy. We've got another 22mm bolt here. And my question is, we can't put it over this here because obviously we've got this bit of an issue here, and that's gone on here. So I'll have to figure out a way we can put this on, and that probably means some more dremeling. Right, so we currently have an issue with the car at the moment. Now, I've got a 22mm socket, but I haven't got a deep socket. So, basically, I need to cut that bit off there. Try to use the some mole grips. Again, that window washer is still a bit too big. Now, it will make sparks because it is metal, which is unfortunate. But the only way I see forward is cutting it, which is really annoying, really. So, on cutting it, I guess. Not meant to do this, but can't cut through these either, man. I'll thick these right there. We go, and boom, this is finally out. And then finally, if I close this down, I've got this little grommet. Let me just take this out. I say that I can't even take this out. There we go. There we go. Boom. Now we've got our Dewiper. Now obviously it's going to rain in a minute, so I need to cover this up, and I don't really have time because I'm actually about to die. So, send help. Right, so back to a new day, and battery's now charged. So now what we're going to do is actually get the killer wipers installed. So this bit here. Now we have to remember the Grim Reaper facing inwards, and then obviously this bit facing outwards. So we go inside and put it in. We've got our duct tape here that we need to stick it on, and then obviously, oh, where did I put it? And we've got our sealant here, which we put on. So we put on first, and then on the outside, and then bish bash bosh. We've also got some. Glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth.
So the first thing to do is to spray down the area with the glass cleaner and just wipe it dry with the microfiber cloth and make sure we get all the dirt away.
So the first things first, what we're going to do is take out our zip ties and everything here. I'm going to get this and we're going to put it onto our sealant here. Ooh, bomber clot. As you can see, it's very messy. So we move. Let's get our killer wiper thing out. So again, this faces inside the car. We'll do a test run just quickly. So this will go in there like that, and that fits in completely good. So we're good for that. Now we just wipe this bit here. Awesome, so what we do, wait for that to finish for an hour.
So it's been an hour, and now we used our little tip that we have with the kit. We put it on and to just basically seal the outside bit. There's a bit of gaps here, and I did it quite a few times because I couldn't get it right. But now, after about, I don't know, 25 million years, I seem to have get it a bit better.
Right, so it looks like it's been about an hour, so we can actually take this bit off. I'm not going to do it at the moment. I did a little peel there, just so we can actually grab it, and later we do that. But before we do that, because we've got little chips everywhere on the back window, that's not good. But first, again, I've taken the duct tape off, so obviously, if it does not work, I can put more sealant in it, but never mind. First thing first, this thing, that still works, which is annoying. So, I mean, it needs to be cut off. One of the zip ties, we can probably do this, and the zip tie on there, but the other bit is this bit, this connector bit that I have. Now, we used a bag included, with a zip tie to make sure that no water gets into that. But first things first, I need to put on, where is it? Electrical tape, just to make sure these don't short circuit itself out.
So after my failed attempt of zip tying this bit down, I actually used one of the 10mm screws to help us block off that connection there. And now we put the trim back together.
Right, look at this, the final product here. As you can see, my face, hello everyone. But bomboclat, like look at that. Even though it's a lot darker and everything, it's got a bit of scratches on there from the microfiber cloth, unfortunately, but from afar, mental. Right, so guys, I'm actually really pleased with the Killer Wipers package there. I'm not quite sure if you can see it in the background. To be honest with you, for about 15 quid, even though there's other ones available on eBay and everything, but this is a pretty good kit really. You get the sealant and everything. You get the zip ties, you get the bag to put to water seal the electrical connector, and then you've got the actual rubber dung, the plastic dung even. I don't know, it's just something about it, it's really cool. Now obviously I do hate to have a wiper delete because they serve a purpose to me, but obviously my one was broken, it just snapped off, it didn't really work, and I couldn't even get water out of it, so it's just like, you know what mate, it got bomber-clatted. Apart from that, I'll leave the link in the description to the Killer Wipers, and I hope you guys have a lovely, I don't know, bloody hell, what outro is this? It's been Murder Alley. Watch my other videos. If you haven't subscribed, get your nan to subscribe, and your dog. And yeah, I'll see you in another one. What? How?